Now, given this equation, we have 10 to the power of x, 10 to the power of x, 10 to the power of x, 10 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of x, and equal to 250 degrees. So how do we find this? Now, these 10 to the power of x, they are in 4 places. So we can say that 4 multiplied by 10 to the power of x over, this is in 2 places. So we can also say that the 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of x equals to 250. So we can also say that at this junction you can have it to be 2 here, 1, 2 in 4, we have 2. So we have a 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of x over 2 raised to the power x equal to 250 here. So we can as well say that 2 into bracket, this 10 can be expressed as 2 times 5 all into power of x, then over 2 to the power of x equal to 250. So we can also express this like this: 2 multiplied by this 2, we carry power of x, 2 to the power of x, then 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x equal to 250 over 2 to the power x as the base. So we can see now that this one can cancel out this one conveniently. So this one we cancel out conveniently. So we have a 2 times 5 raised to the power x equal to 250. So from here we can say divide both sides by 2, both sides by 2. So this one will go for this. So we have a 5 to the power of x equals to 125. So from here we can have it to be 5 to the power of x equals to, this one can be expressed as what? 5 to the power of 3. So this one we go for this. So we have x equal to what? 3. Please like this video. Thank you.